guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. I'm gonna show you my awards. This is my award in daycare. I had two of them, like this. Best in English and best in Filipino. This award. Nag-iba na kasi yung color niya, matagal na. Grade 2 na diba ako? Sabi ko kahapon, napakita ko na sa inyo tong medal ko na karang grade 1. Pero, pagpakita ko ulit. Kaya wala akong mga certificate ng grade 1 kasi pandemic yun, diba? May award lang kami. Tapos, ito naman ang certificate ko na noong first grading. Ito, top 1. First grading ko, may award na ako. 1, ako ang unang ginagawa. At ito din ang second grading ko. Tapan din ako dito. Yan ang aking award. This is my, This is my third grading award. I'm only top 1. I'm top 1. This is my award in May 31. May 31. Because I don't know, but I just it's 29 or 20. I don't know, but oh whoa, I had an award. Yes, I'm absent noon. So gulat na gulat. May award. Tapos nalaman ko lang yun sa classmate ko. Tapos hindi ko alam kung pa talaga yung news. So guys, yan lang for today's video. So guys, yan lang muna yung video ko. Bukas na naman. Goodbye guys!